Video, I'm going to show you how to change the Wi-Fi connection on your Ultrasync Alarm Panel in case you change your router or you reset your router. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to go over to your panel. You want to hit menu 9. You want to hit your password. Enter. You want to press 8 to turn on Wi-Fi discovery mode. Hit menu 2 times to back out. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to go over to your phone. You want to connect to 0 wire, which is the signal that the panel is putting out. Once you're connected, back out, open up a browser. The default IP address for the Ultrasync is 192.168.1.3. Okay, enter. Okay, now you log into your panel. Put in your password. You remember the first letter is always capital. Okay. Put in your password. Sign in. Okay. You want to hit menu. Go to settings. Takes a second to load. Okay, here it is. Okay, you want to go down and you want to find Wi-Fi setup. Okay, you want to hit scan for wireless networks. Very important. Do not stop this scanning. Even if you see your network listed, you have to wait until everything is done. Okay, now it says again, scan for wireless networks, so you know you're finished. Go down, find your network, connect to it. I'm connected. If you have security on your router or a password, Wi-Fi password, it would prompt you to enter it. Okay, now you can close it out. Okay, you can go ahead to your app. You could open it up. It may take a minute or two to, find the new IP address. So let's try it again. There we go. We're connected. So now your alarm panel, since you have the app working on your phone, you know that your alarm panel is connected back to Central Station. Thank you.